Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all my fans, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Laughter Channel. And you guys already know today is my motherland. The motherland is blessed with a happy Independence Day, Uganda. This is the 62nd or the 62 here. What word is that? Commemoration of the independence. Uganda got the independence, that is way 1962, and that is the year that Uganda got the independence, and today is the celebration. And I'm just here really to wish everyone a happy independence wherever you are, whether you're in Uganda, Africa, USA, United States, or you're in UK, wherever country you are in, where you watch this channel. I just want to wish you a happy independence. As long as you are a Ugandan, this is gonna be very, very massive. You guys already know. And the celebration is on. It's gonna be done, especially man makilwani area me which area man makilwani Busia. That is where the celebration is gonna be, and we're hoping things will be really tremendous and celebratory mood. Everyone noti yangini pingeti no wiji America moka kan ma inati yema ina nana lok ming muru ki bueno ki chiam pejo no ber meriti ma mako ping ana ke waila tina rio tina ngwen gi no para tika mako kom gi ku di ko ni makonyo pe tika mete kere. But all in all, I will to a dwarf watch, but one do chu monano, Mr. Laughter, I made a dwarf watch, but one only one take in a camini woo, Jimmy did you my bedroom, I want to try me in a boat, woo, that clock, any, I made a to a forge, or did you my following one, man Makilwani, Mr. Laughter channel, that made a forge, or did you my travel one, Machalo, Mr. Laughter group, that made a with you, what take good news, keep more and Matika Bino, any kidon Benemara, any Jim, my page you because the channel kind of Jim page ma in kumina binana mo kano bed level chuli mo kano bed level mono, so in bed mera tara pene waling mera man nok watika mero yubu kero ma jima tikere, but angini independence tika word no bed to al kwen eni koke wa eni kwe ma wibero man makiloni busi yani tie ma bed to al wakanen koke kome lo bar me kwe eni kono tiyo kama leng maketa ke wajo kere ni tie kile mono ken magachi here. So the commitment is, and why any theme celebration mamanti makilwani commitment to secure and fortify our destiny. Mono kid machalo kid na tie kere ye kore.